Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if your settings are keep on stopping in your device Xcover 6 Pro. So if you want to fix this setting problem in your device Xcover 6 Pro, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn what you can do if your settings are not opening.